Hello guys, Mehul here back again with another new video, and in today's video we're gonna see something that will inspire you in terms of designs. Like, but this is not like something like rebel, but this is something more like hours, like how we have seen the hours and how in that platform they have listed really tons of cool looking website. This is something like that, but in a little bit smoother, like little bit easy to use, and here is nothing much more complexer than much more complex than the hours, because hours have too many functions, but here you have really subtle inspiration logs. So let me just show you, then you will understand it better. Here is our today's website, that is collected. How easy that name is, like it is basically saying what it has done, like collected all of the website. And uh, you will find that it have collected a certain types of websites, certain with certain design perspectives that will have like similar kind of types or similar kind of design forms. If you can see it here, like let me click on any one of them. Let's see the first one, and then I will obviously show you how the website works. As you can see it here, it is we are actually following a proper manner of design pattern. Okay, like that neo style, neo portfolio style. Okay, and here is also not neo portfolio, like neo, what they have named it. I can't remember that right now. But in every website there is something new and something different. As you can see it here, it changes to a audio button to play it, and here is the playing button as well. So really great cool websites. And if you want to change one of them, like if you have seen all 8 of them and you want to see some new one, you just click on shuffle. That's about this website. It will generate a new set of website, like new page with a newer set of website for you. And those websites basically have a really good like a kind of a play going on with typographies, shapes, image forms, all the other things. Like those websites are uh, piece for eyes in terms of design, in terms of design language, design perspectives. So obviously you can learn a lot in terms of design from them. In terms like the graphics and UI UX as well, like both you can learn from them. Because as you can see it here, whenever I am hovering through all of those pictures, the plus button is coming. That obviously is a term of UX. And rather than that, how the typographies are laid out here, how they are using the images, how they're like in this hero section, you can see how they are using typography, videos, and laying out all of those things. So really good, really good combination of all of the design parameters that they have used here. So I would like to see this website as well. And this is in Spanish. Oh, I really loved it. First of all, I love the color palette of it, because this tangy orange, I love this tangy orange feel and all of those other things. I don't know what is written here, but something, but really love this website. How cool it is, right? Let's see the translation if it can do for me. It would be great. Yes, I have a name, Dream Daddy, the Grass Garden, Men Who Walk Alone, the winners, Gary Show. But it's not now oriented correctly, I think. At first, it was looking better. Whatever. So, You can get a tons of really great websites from here. As you can see, their current collection is 1644. So really a lot of low sites that you can find here, and those are really great. As you can see, whenever a single person make a whole website, like make a whole collection, there is a lot of quality control as well, because he or she is making something of his own that he or she would be proud of. So obviously, that's it for the video. Please visit this website. I know you're gonna love it. Like, you're gonna get a lots of design experience from here. Rather than that, if you like my videos in general, please hit the like button as well and subscribe to my channel if you are not already. And if you know some of the great apps or websites, design resources, graphics resources, coding resources, open source API, anything, please let me know about all of them in the comment section below so I can feature them in my future videos as well. So bye for now.